The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. The sequence starts with 0 and 1, and continues like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. This sequence has some interesting properties. For example, if you divide a number in the sequence by the previous number, you get an approximation of the golden ratio, which is approximately 1.618. This ratio appears in many things in nature and art, such as the shape of shells and the arrangement of petals in flowers. In addition, the Fibonacci sequence has many practical applications in various areas. For example, in financial market analysis, it is common to use the Fibonacci sequence to plot trends of expansion and retracement, assisting the investor in decision-making. In biology, the sequence appears in many places, such as the arrangement of leaves in a plant or the way seeds are arranged in a sunflower. The concept of the Fibonacci sequence was created by Leonardo Fibonacci. Leonardo was born in the city of Pisa, Italy, around 1175. He became known for introducing the sequence of numbers that now bears his name, the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci studied mathematics in Algeria, where he became familiar with Hindu-Arabic arithmetic, which we currently use to represent numbers with digits. He was fascinated by this notation, which made calculations much simpler than the methods used in Europe at the time. Upon returning to Italy, Fibonacci wrote a book called Liber Abbasi, or Book of Calculation, where he introduced the Hindu-Arabic notation and taught how to perform calculations with it. The book also included several mathematical problems and challenges, including the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence was described by Fibonacci in a problem about rabbit reproduction. The problem was to know how many pairs of rabbits would be produced in a year, if a pair of rabbits produced a new pair every month, and if the rabbit offspring began reproducing when they completed 1 month of age. The answer to this problem is the Fibonacci sequence. In addition to the Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci also contributed to other fields of mathematics, such as number theory and geometry. He was also a strong advocate of Hindu-Arabic notation, which was widely adopted in Europe after the publication of his book. In summary, Leonardo Fibonacci was an influential and pioneering mathematician who helped disseminate Hindu-Arabic notation and introduced the Fibonacci sequence, which has applications in various areas of mathematics and beyond. But the Fibonacci sequence is not only fascinating for its properties and practical applications. It also has an aesthetic appeal, and it is common to find the sequence in works of art, architecture, and design. Our daily life is surrounded by the Fibonacci sequence. Wherever we turn our attention, we can identify this pattern. When you go for a walk, remember the Fibonacci sequence. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you and see you next time.